Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clear image that fits your watch's screen. Crop to the device resolution so nothing is cut off. Next, make sure your phone and watch are connected via Bluetooth or the companion app. Pairing is essential. Open the Watch Companion app, grant storage and watch face permissions, and select the wallpaper or watch face editor. Once done, you'll be ready to send the file. Keep the devices close together to avoid transfer errors and speed up the process. You now open the watch face editor in the companion app and choose Add or Customize to import the image. Use pinch and pan to scale and position the image, and apply color filters or contrast so time markers remain legible. This is why adjustments matter. Preview on both phone and the simulated watch screen. When satisfied, tap Apply and start sync. Make sure you watch the progress bar until it finishes, because interrupting at this step can leave the wallpaper incomplete or corrupted. You finish by checking the watch face in real use. Verify widgets, complications, and clock hands are readable against the new background. If the wallpaper didn't apply, resync from the app, then restart both watch and phone. That resolves most transient issues. If problems persist, clear the companion app cache or reinstall it, then repeat the upload. One key troubleshooting tip: if transfer stalls, enable airplane mode, briefly then disable it to reset the radio. This often clears stuck Bluetooth sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.